Yes. So now we are doing a quick tour on how the Mindclip app works. First step is that you set in the user account with the email and password. Then you choose the team you're in. You set your aim. Why do you want to use the app? You can choose as many as you want or create your own. And once you have those aims set, you can start the journey. The first step is to choose your peers in your big teams. The app will suggest you a certain amount of teams, and then you can add yourself the rest. Once you have your team set, you will do your own behavior style survey, and it will ask you adjectives, and the whole purpose here is to choose those adjectives that best describe your behavior and not use too much time in thinking about it, but just to take the one that first comes into your mind. And here, of course, since it's a demo version, it won't go and show all the adjectives, but gives you the idea of how the app works. You will do the same for your peers. Choose a peer from a list. You do the survey, and here again, you give the survey results for your peer. What you can do if you realize you made a mistake, you can always go and change that adjective and save it and continue the process. Once you have done the peer survey results, you will go to the next step, which is choosing your task. You choose a development area you want to work on. So you want to, for example, work on your collaboration skills. And you choose one provided by the app. So learn to value your cooperation, show appreciation to people. You choose this task, and you can start your journey. And the app asks every week about your stress level. So you go into the test, you can evaluate your own stress level. How are you feeling? Is it work or personal, or maybe both? And how was the stress level compared with last week? And how do you expect it to be the following week? And here you can, of course, then the purpose is that you can then see and compare your own stress level, the green line, with the team average. The next important step is to do the self-reflection, self-evaluation every week, and update your process. How many times during that week you think you made progress on your task. And you can also use the journal and describe your feelings with adjectives or words. And of course, the last most important step is then to give the team feedback. So here you can give the feedback in the form of smileys regarding how well you think that they did the task that they had chosen to themselves. And of course, the important last step is then the behavior style results. So here we can see how we evaluated ourselves and how our peers evaluated us. And you can drill down in the perception scale and see here the green spots are how you saw yourself, and the blue ones are how your team sees you. And the purpose, of course, is to find how that perception of yours changes with compared to your team members. You can also drill down more deeply into the adaptability and trust score, where you can see the team average and how well you scored. Here also we have split them to several categories where you can see where you would have improvement areas regarding to your behavior and how you would want to change the perception that people have of you. And the last important part is of course, the team diversity, where we just look at the behavior of the team members. And what it gives you also, this screen, is some practical hints of you who, for example, in this case, are a boss. How could you behave when you are dealing with other people that they're different from you? For example, a collaborator. It gives you some adjectives to describe this person and how it is to work with such a behavior style, and how you can help them, to make your collaboration very smooth and efficient. So this is what Mindclip app is all about. You can go to the website and find more information. Thank you.